school lunch for my son. And my gas just got finished. Hi guys, good morning. How are you doing? This morning I was trying to make lunch, school lunch for my son, and my gas just got finished. I don't even know what to do. I'm just so tired. I have to take him to school first, then I just have to take him to school. And then when I come back, I have to go and fill the gas and take the food to school. The lunch to school for now. So, yes. The lunch is ready. Let's go to school and give it to him. Hi guys, how you doing? Okay, today we want to go and buy chemicals for liquid soap. Join me, let's go and get our chemicals. So on my way to get the chemicals, I decided to go and meet my friend. We started playing game. I had fun today. We played game. She bought bolly for me and her to eat. We really had fun. And I'm always in the house, so I enjoyed my stay outside today. So I was smiling because of I'm winning her, like I won. So when I got to the chemical shop, chemical is so expensive, like very expensive. The last time I bought was 7,500 naira. Now it's sold for 12,000 naira. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.